Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Westinghouse Dishwasher F5 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Westinghouse Dishwasher here and getting that F5 error code, well, there are a few things that you could try. So in this case, so if the Westinghouse Dishwasher is showing the F5 error code, it means there's water level fault here. So basically the dishwasher isn't detecting water during the washing phase. So this can happen for a few reasons. So the first thing that you could do here is you want to check and replace the inlet valve. So it looks like something like this one. Now, in this case, if the inlet valve is faulty, water won't flow into the dishwasher properly. So in this case, you want to go ahead and plug your dishwasher here, turn off the water supply, and also remove the access panel. So in this case, you need to check your manual for this one to find the correct one. And you want to go ahead and screw the hot water hose coupling under the sink and use pliers to detach the fill hose. Now, in this case, the label any wires here for easy installation, and remove any faulty inlet valve here by undoing the mounting bolts. Now, install the new inlet valve and reattach everything, restore power and water, and check if this actually solves the leak, or if you that actually removes the leak from your actual dishwasher here. But yeah, so next thing that you could do here is you could actually try replacing the water pump. So if the wash pump isn't working, it won't create pressure, so making the dishwasher think there's no water. So again, you want to unplug your dishwasher, turn off the water supply, remove the lower access panel to find the pump, usually at the bottom section here. So in this case, you want to disconnect the hose, mounting bolts, and take out the old pump, install the new one, and secure it with screws, tighten the hose, and make sure there's no leaks. And from there on, just reassemble everything, restore power and water, and test the dishwasher. And finally, you might want to clean or replace your inlet hose. So in this case, this one looks like this one. So yeah, you want to unplug the dishwasher and turn off the water supply, remove the kick plate to access the hose, and place a bucket or rug under to catch any water, and screw the inlet hose and check the plugs. Use a garden hose to flush out any debris and reconnect everything. Now restore power and water and check for leaks before closing it up. But yeah, so those are the things that you could try doing here. But just in case, if you're not sure what you're doing here, it's best to contact a professional or a proper technician to solve this problem to avoid further issues with your dishwasher. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.